Hi, welcome to JetBrains Developers. Learn how to code with ease and reach your greatness. Also, it will be nice to also know a little bit of this side too. You can see this side. This side is also lovely. And let's just focus on this a little bit of while. And you can see you have mobile, tablets, desktop. Okay, this fluid grid layer doing a whole lot of fantastic thing here. Let me just be tempted to create it. Okay, so creating it, let me just create it within here for the meantime. Okay, this is a folder already in my system. I will tell you more about this. And it's taking title 1. Okay, and I save that. Okay, this is what it looks like. And beautiful enough, we are on design view. So don't be scared, we're on design view. Alright, we could check the code view. You could see the code view. Now, for us to use this, we could see something here. Is an external link to a file, which obviously has not been saved. But you can change the way this thing is saved once you click to save this. Okay, if you want to save this, it will warrant you to save actually, but will also want you to save the accompanying CSSs. Alright, so if you want to save it within this already predefined space, save it that. If you want to create a folder, which is nice, creating a folder, you can call it your my styles. Alright, my styles. Alright, so inside your styles, you save those stuff, and then you save that. So remember, we have the name as untitled 1 and my styles. So my styles contains these very accompanying styles, okay, CSSs. All right, so and it means that you can preview this document. Okay, so the document looks this way. It means on the responsive view you can see a whole lot of things on responsive. You can see responsive shrinks the whole text down, so it's responsive on multi devices. So if you go ahead to add so many other texts within it, so let's say we increase this text just that way and save it and come around and reload it, take it from here. All right, and look at that, it's still very responsive. Okay, so that's the beautiful thing about it, very responsive. So we need to get back on that same IDE, Dreamweaver IDE first page for us to get the actual layout that we need. Okay, so you could just go to file new to get there. Okay, so go back to blank page, we just finished with this, or you could just click Control New, Control N will still bring you back here. Okay, so for us on the HTML, we would love to choose take this. Okay, this is what we love to choose. Okay, you can choose anyone you like, but for us to be on the same page, this would be nice if you choose it. All right, so down here you can see HTML5. That's lovely. If you click that, you can see drop down of all the other ones. So HTML5 is the latest, and I would advise you to choose that. Okay, so over here you can see that we have add to head. So what I added to head, the layout CSS. The layout CSS cascading style sheet. So this is your styles. If you go on the web pages, you've been on website before, you can see how lovely the and beautiful the pages look. Okay, the coloration, the little bit of interactions and all that. This is what gives those features. CSS, cascading style sheets. This is part of what gives them. We have all that technologies like JQuery, JavaScript and all that equally adds to the beauty of the page. We call it actually user interface, user experience. Okay, and for now we'll be adding our CSS, our styles, to this head section of our page. You can see that. So we can actually link this file or create it automatically. We can link it to an external file somewhere, and this is the link you will use to link to any external file you want. Okay, so this is just over here. I'm not going into this now, but it's just so simple. Browse the file that has the styles and attach it to this very project, this to the very main HTML file that we're using here. So for now, if you've done this and you have add to head, I'll show you the next page what this add to head means. Just simply hit on create, okay, and that'll be fine. So you've hit on create, and this is the page we're looking for. So on title 2, we're still going to name this page. We've not saved this file yet to this point. Okay, so take note of that. So you could check your page. So in a moment now, I'll tell you what's up. Hi, thanks for watching. In order to learn more from my free tutorials, kindly follow these links and also subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to get my latest insightful tutorials once they're uploaded. You can like, comment, and ask your questions, and it will be my pleasure to provide you with the best solutions. Don't forget to invite your friends by clicking on share. God bless you and welcome to greatness.